The BFA Technical Theatre and Stage Management is a 3-year degree that provides training across all of the backstage elements of live performance and theatre.
The Technical Theatre and Stage Management course at NIDA really gives you all the knowledge you need to walk out into the industry and be confident in what you do and be an artistic collaborator within the industry.
We believe the best practitioners have a firm understanding of all aspects of a production and are then able to bring all those elements together. Classes cover stage management, production management, lighting, sound, technical drawing and video for live performance.
When I was graduating high school in Qatar, what really appealed to me about the NIDA TTSM course was that I had the opportunity to try a number of different practices and not just specialize in one, so I could explore everything and take my time to decide what I wanted to do in my career.
Students receive practical experience by taking on key roles in full-scale productions. In their final year, students spend a minimum of 10 weeks in industry placements, where they gain real-world experience that is essential to employability and a sustainable career in the arts.
I'll leave NIDA with a sense of confidence in my abilities, how I want to pursue my art. Over the last 3 years, I've been able to explore who I want to be as an artist, and NIDA's given me that space and that opportunity to explore that.
Our students graduate with highly transferable skills and are employed by many major companies, including Sydney Theatre Company, Bangara Dance Theatre, Melbourne Theatre Company, the Australian Ballet, as well as Cirque du Soleil, the Commonwealth Games, and many, many more.
My friends, my peers at NIDA, my teachers at NIDA are still my mentors now. They're my peers in the industry, they're my sounding boards, and I couldn't imagine being in this industry without them.